The shift to electric is a global effort. Governments are setting deadlines to end petrol car sales and offering incentives for EV buyers. Billions are being invested in charging infrastructure and new technology. Car makers are designing EVs from the ground up, more space, better handling, and greater efficiency. Every major brand is going electric, driving competition and innovation. The more EVs on the road, the faster the network grows. It's a feedback loop. More cars, more chargers, more choice. The change is happening faster than anyone expected. The electric future is arriving now. So, what's next? As we stand at the crossroads of innovation and sustainability, it's clear that the way we move is about to change forever. The future of driving is electric, quieter, cleaner, and more exciting. Electric vehicles are transforming our daily commutes, making every journey smoother and more enjoyable. Imagine cities with clean air and silent streets, where the hum of engines is replaced by the gentle whir of electric motors. Our neighborhoods will be healthier, and our communities more vibrant. Cars will charge smartly, even feeding power back to the grid. Our vehicles will become part of a connected energy ecosystem, helping balance supply and demand. Battery tech will mean longer range and faster charging. Soon, charging your car could be as quick and easy as grabbing a cup of coffee. The thrill of instant acceleration will be the new normal. Electric cars deliver power the moment you touch the pedal, making every drive exhilarating. Classics will still have their place, cherished for their history and character. But for daily driving, electricity is the answer. Efficient, reliable, and forward-thinking. This is about progress, using new tech to solve old problems. Engineers and innovators are working tirelessly to make electric vehicles smarter, safer, and more accessible for everyone. Electric cars keep the freedom of the open road, but with less impact on the planet. We can explore new places and create memories, all while protecting the environment. The road ahead is electric, and it's going to be a great ride. Every mile we travel brings us closer to a cleaner, brighter future. We're building a smarter, more sustainable world for the next generation. Our choices today will shape the world our children inherit tomorrow. The journey is just beginning. With every innovation, we move closer to a world where clean transportation is the norm, not the exception. And I, for one, can't wait to see where it leads. The future is electric, and it's full of promise.